The main difference between a milling and turning simulation creation is at the tooling level. The rest of the actions are very similar, whether it's machine choice, the setup preparation, or any other components. In turning, there are more elements to put in position, such as the tool holder, insert holder, and inserts, and then it is necessary to correctly orient the tool assembly on the turret. The tool magazine function of NC-Simul is the place to set up the tooling for the machine. There is one per simulation process located before the program, and it opens with a double click. Display the tools in list view to see the tool number, tool name, station position, and reference. Alternatively, display them in machine view to see their location and orientation. This machine has 3 tool racks, 1 horizontal and 1 vertical, and 1 additional turret. On the turret, the active station is shown, and when the tool is clicked, NC-Simul displays it in its working position. This is how to configure a turret with the NC-Simul tool magazine function. First, select tools coming from a prepared NC-Simul tool library or from a tool management system such as NC-Simul Tool or TMS Solar. Clicking on this list allows for access to the graphical shape and tool assembly information. To load a tool on a station, switch into Machine View, select a station, select the tool, and right-click on it. Tool 20 was loaded on Station 20 and Tool 21 onto Station 21 respectively. To put several tools onto one station, use a multiple selection and then drag and drop to position them correctly. Each time a modification is made, the 3D window is updated. It's also possible to create a multiple tool station. First, put several tools onto a single station. In this example, there are 2 drills and 1 tap. Simply right-click on the station, select Merge, and they become a single station assembly. To customize the tool positioning within a station, first click on the tool in question and select the Set Position icon. Now, the translation and rotation modifications for Tool 21 are available. You can orient the tool on the station by angle, axis, or direction. It's also possible to modify a multiple tool. Access to each component to customize the positioning is still available, as shown here where the working side of Tool 29 is flipped. For mill-turn and Swiss machines, the NC-Simul tool magazine function significantly reduces the tool preparation time. Complex multiple tools can be created in just a few clicks, and their subsequent positioning is extremely intuitive.